Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Pick your character and know which normal you want to cancel. Hold training mode and enable input display. This helps you see exact timing. Then, once you press the normal, immediately buffer the special command, for example, quarter circle plus punch, within the normal's recovery frames. Do this repeatedly until muscle memory forms. Make sure to use light and medium normals first. They have shorter recovery, so you'll see cancellations register more consistently. Once done with basic buffers, move to more complex scenarios. Hit confirm cancels and special follow-ups. You should read the spacing. If the normal whiffs, the cancel fails. When you have meter, cancel into EX or drive techniques by adding the additional input immediately after the special command. Practice reacting to sound and hit stun. If the normal hits, then execute the special, otherwise block or bait. Make sure to vary normals and directions so you learn which strings actually cancel in real matches. To finish, chain your successful cancels into a full combo. Cancel normal to special, then link into a launcher or super if meter is available. This maximizes damage. If a cancel fails, pause and review input playback. Check whether you pressed the special too late, used a non-cancelable normal, or hit a priority rule. As a key troubleshooting tip, use training frame step or rollback replays to isolate the exact frame the cancel stopped registering. Then adjust your buffer timing accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.